Hey everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to kick off a fun little series that I'm going to start doing, and hopefully it's not going to be controversial. It's just something that I thought would be kind of fun. As consultants, we are Scentsy 99 to 100% of the time, right? But I am completely aware that not everyone is all Scentsy all the time. I realize there are still a lot of people who will enjoy their Scentsy wax, but they are also burning candles along with their Scentsy wax. So I figured this would be something kind of fun to maybe highlight a popular candle to be able to do a comparison in Scentsy form, whether it's going to be a dupe or whether it's going to be something that's going to be complementary. That way you are choosing your wax that is going to maybe complement a current candle that you do have in your inventory. So something kind of fun that I figured we would do, and I'll probably upload maybe once a week or so and just like highlight popular candles and that sort of thing. So I just figured this would be something kind of fun and kind of different. So let's go ahead and get started. Today's candle we are going to highlight is from Homeworx by Harry Slatkin. This candle is the Pineapple Colada candle. You can purchase these on QVC. I know that some Ulta stores carry these in stock as well, but you can always order online. So this one I really like. It's a really fun summery fragrance, and this is a Pina Colada with a little bit of a different fruity twist to it. So I figured this would be something kind of fun and definitely one that we can do some decent comparisons with Scentsy. So we're gonna kick it off with this one. So this particular scent, let me read the notes to you here. So it's Pineapple Colada, and the fragrance notes are fresh pineapple, coconut milk, Madagascar vanilla, and tangerine juice. So that tangerine juice is just giving it a little bit of a different twist. So I thought this would be totally fun. So obviously, the first scent choice that comes to mind is going to be the Pina Colada Cha-Cha that Scentsy has to offer. Now, this scent is a powerhouse, and I would say if you were to only choose one scent to pair along with this particular candle, it would have to be this one. But I wanted to kind of do a little bit of mixing to give this scent a different kind of fruity twist, kind of like what this one did. Now, this one was showing, like, this has cherries and stuff that's on the label, and I don't really get any cherry from this. It was hard for me to really put my finger on exactly what the other fruity note was, but seeing that it's the tangerine juice, it makes sense. It was just like a different kind of twist to it, which I thought was really fun. So what I did two different mixes. So I did Pina Colada Cha-Cha, 1 cube of this one in a warmer, and then I did 1 cube of Rainbow Sherbet. So I figured this would be something that would be a totally fun mix, and man, it was. And talk about two powerhouses combining. Oh my gosh, it was so good. It was so good. It kind of, like, the Pina Colada kind of gave a more creaminess to the Rainbow Sherbet, and the Rainbow Sherbet added a different fruity brightness to the Pina Colada Cha-Cha, if that makes sense. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about both of these, but that's what my experience was with the two of these mixed together, and both crazy strong. So really, really good. Let me tell you here. Now, Rainbow Sherbet. Okay, Rainbow Sherbet is one of our new ones, and Scentsy says it's a classic. Orange zest, sugared strawberry, and key lime zing just like the real thing. So I think that's why that, like, orange zest and sugared strawberry mixed with this kind of gave, geez Louise, kind of gave me the same type of vibe that this Pineapple Colada, is that what it's called? Yeah, Pineapple Colada gave me. So is it a dupe? No, absolutely not. But it's definitely a complementary scent mixture to this candle. So definitely, hands down, a really great mix. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about the Pina Colada Cha-Cha, but it smells like, not just, but it smells like a Pina Colada, and it's delicious. Where are we? We're in fruity. Pina Colada Cha-Cha. Island Coconut, and Zesty Pineapple lead, white rum and vanilla bean follow. So you can tell just by those scent notes that it's going to be a really nice combination between the two, right? Well, I loved this combination, but there was something else that sparked in my brain that I was like, I kind of want to give this other thing a try as well. So I also decided to mix Pina Colada Cha-Cha in a different room with a scent that is no longer available, but if you have it in your stock, in your club, give this one a try. It's actually really nice. So I did 1 cube of Pina Colada Cha-Cha with 1 cube of Berry Fairy Tale. This was beautiful. Absolutely loved it. I love this scent by itself, and this is a crazy powerhouse as well. So these two powerhouses combined again really upped the ante. It was really, really nice. And kind of the same vibe as Rainbow Sherbet. It's like you get this really bright, zesty fruitiness from these two scents, and then Pina Colada Cha-Cha adds a more like creamy sweetness to it, if that makes sense. So Berry Fairy Tale, I get pineapples and I get a little bit of orange, a little bit of strawberry, so still kind of, like I said, kind of along the same lines as this, but as far as what's currently available, I would say Rainbow Sherbet, but another definite nice mixture is the Pina Colada Cha-Cha with the Berry Fairy Tale. So this was really nice. So if you have a Homeworx Pineapple Colada in your home and you do really like to burn this, maybe think about mixing a couple of these to complement this candle. So definitely something kind of fun. Like I said, not a dupe, but definitely something that is definitely going to be complimentary. Honestly, these powerhouses may actually overtake your Homeworx candles. This thing is a powerhouse, but still, this is a really, really beautiful candle. And if you have this one, maybe try giving these a little mixture when you are burning at the same time. So totally, totally fun. Like I said, I just figured this would be kind of a fun little series to try out. So I hope you like this. Let me know if you have done a mixture like this. If you have mixed Pina Colada Cha-Cha with any other kind of fruity scents to give it a different kind of fruity twist. Let me know in the comments down below what you have mixed it with. I love to get new ideas and things like that. So I hope you found this fun and entertaining. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Leave a comment. Otherwise, I will leave my contact information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.